Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your photo singing like this.
The rhythm's got a story, come and dance with me. In the heart of the city where the bebop never fades, the notes are flying high.
Stick around, because this tutorial will blow your mind. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Before we start, we need one software that I used in this video, HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Step 2. Pre-cut music. After you download HitPaw Edimakor, open it and click Create a Video. Import the music and drag it to the timeline. Listen to the music.
Walking down Bebop Boulevard where the music's fast and walking down.
And at the beginning of every lyric, click the scissors icon to cut it. After it's all down, select all the clips we don't need and delete them. Now hover over to the right and click Export. Export as audio. Now let's go to AI Avatar. Step 3, AI Avatar. Here under Local Audio, import the music you just exported. Now scroll down. You can see there are many avatars for you to choose from. You can also customize an AI avatar yourself. Just upload a photo or a video and boom, your AI avatar has been customized. After you select the avatar you like most,
hi there, hope you have a nice day.
Click Generate and wait for it to process. And that's it. That's the final result.
Walking down Bebop Boulevard where the music's fast and free. The rhythm's got a story, come and dance with me. In the heart of the city where the bebop never fades, the notes are flying high like a bird that's not afraid.
Isn't that great? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.